Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Eco Times 2020. I hope you all are safe and happy at your home. Today I'm back with some of the tips and tricks to make your debate effective. So let's begin with for the motion. Begin your debate with a quote. It is the best way to impress the judges. Then give a formal introduction. And the third step is you have to speak some of the lines about the topic and slowly drift towards the advantages. Then you have to give only 3 to 4 precise advantages with the examples. And then the next step, the fifth step is that you should have your own experience. You should share with the people, with the judges out there and provide a precise conclusion. And rebuttal is very crucial. Now let us move on to against the motion. Begin with a question or a quote, preferably a question, because the judges like the debaters asking their fellow debaters some or the other question indirectly. Then you have to give your formal intro and about the topic, then move on to the disadvantages. Rebut your fellow debaters by using his/her examples. Then you should share your bad experience if any. If any. Be real. Listen to everyone, every talk on YouTube and all, and take help from Google Baba as well, but don't copy. And at the end say that you are not blaming or fighting or in complete opposition with so or so subject, whatever your topic you're talking about, and tell that you instead you are giving your opinions and not being fake. Now let us move on to the interjections. In the previous video I talked about social media has improved human communication topic, and these are some of the interjections for the motion. So first one is cyberbullying, second cybercrime, third fake news spread, fourth addiction towards social media, and fifth verification issues. Okay friends, so comment down your opinion about the interjections, and till then stay tuned and bye bye.